Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Marianne V. Caindoy. I'm 42 years old. I am from Tarlac City, Philippines. I am married with 5 kids. My eldest is 17 years old and my youngest is 3 years old. I work in Taiwan for 5 years. My first job is in nursing home. I took care different patients like bedridden patient, a patient in a wheelchair. My second employer is a couple. I took care grandma with dementia. I can speak Mandarin. I can speak Nihongo. I can cook. I can clean your house. I can do ironing. I can do laundry. If you will hire me, ma'am and sir, I assure you that I will be trustworthy and a hardworking person. I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless. See you in Hong Kong. Bye.